Calculate the percentage of each element in a calcium carbonate. Here given value atomic mass carbon 12, oxygen 16, calcium 40 is given. Now want to find the percentage of each element. Calcium each element want to find. Here calcium carbonate. So what is the molecular formula for calcium carbonate? The molecular formula or molar mass want to find. Mass of calcium carbonate. The formula for calcium carbonate CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. So now want to find the molecular mass. Already you know that one calcium. Calcium value is given 40 plus carbon value is given 12 plus here oxygen 3 is given. In molecular formula 3 oxygen. So each oxygen value 16. So 3 oxygen into each oxygen value is given 16. So what is the total value? 40 plus 12 plus 3 into 16. 48. So now the total value 100. So the molecular mass value 100. Here want to find each element. Want to find. First you take percentage of carbon. What is the carbon percentage value? Carbon value is given 12. So 12 by total value. How much? 100. Percentage means into 100. Okay. So 100 cancel. So is 12 percentage. So carbon level in calcium carbonate, the carbon level how much? 12 percentage. Like that. Want to find calcium of calcium. What is the calcium value? Ca 40 divided by 100. 100 means total value. 100 total value into percentage 100. So 100 cancel. So how much? 40 percentage. The calcium how much percentage in the calcium carbonate? 40 percentage. Like that. Next oxygen. Oxygen value is given 16. Total value of molecular mass 100 into percentage 100. So how much? 16 percent. So each element carbon 12 percentage, calcium 40 percentage, oxygen 16 percent. You add all the values, you will get 100 percentage. For 16. Sorry, here given 48. How much? 16 means here oxygen value 16, but into how many oxygen here? 3. So 3 into 16, 48. So 48. 3 into 6, 3 oxygen. Each oxygen value 16. 16 into 3, 100 and cancel, 48. Total if you add all the values, you will get 100 percentage. So your answer correct. So each element value. Next question. Calculate the percentage of oxygen in aluminum sulfate. So here aluminum value is given 12, oxygen value 16 and the sulfur value 32. Now want to find. So first you find the molar mass. Molar mass. Molar mass is equal to of molar mass of aluminum sulfate 3. Here how many aluminum value is given? 12. Here is aluminum value 27. Aluminum value 27, not 12, 27. So now substitute. How many aluminum is there? 2. 2 aluminum into 27. Mass number 27 plus sulfur. See how many sulfur? 3 sulfur. See the 3 is common for SO4. So 3 sulfur. So 3 into each sulfur value 32. Next plus oxygen here 4, but outside the bracket 3 is there. 4 into 3, 12. So how many oxygen? 12 oxygen. So 12 oxygen into each oxygen value 16. So multiply the value 27 into 254 This is a 92, 96 plus 192. Now we add all the values. 342 is the molar mass of aluminum sulfate. 342. Now want to find the oxygen in the aluminum sulfate. How much oxygen here? Only oxygen only enough. So oxygen how much? So here very simple. The percentage of oxygen. See, what is the oxygen value here? 192. Because of oxygen, each oxygen mass 16. But here how many oxygen is there? 12 oxygen. So totally 192. 192 divided by total value 342 into 100%. 100% you want to calculate means 100. You have to multiply. So now if we cancel the value, it will become 56.14%. So oxygen percentage in aluminum sulfate 56.14%. Calculate the percentage relative abundance of boron. B is a boron 10 and boron 11. If it is average atomic mass is 10.804 AMU, atomic mass unit. AMU means atomic mass unit. So now, first percentage of relative abundance of B10 boron 10 is equal to, you take X. So relative percentage of relative abundance of B11, you take 100 minus X. How 100 minus X? Because percentage means it's 100. So 100 minus that B10 value, 100 minus X, remaining only B11. So you take 100 minus X. So now want to substitute the value. So want to find the average atomic mass of common boron. So common boron is equal to mass of first isotope into percentage of abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage of abundance of second isotope. So divided by this value divided by 100. So what is the first isotope value? See, first average atomic mass is given 10.8. So now 10.804 is equal to mass of first isotope. Mass of the first isotope how much? Mass of the isotope is nothing but 10. Generally take 10. 10 into percentage how much? X plus here how much? 11. 11 second isotope 11 into percentage value how much? 100 minus X divided by 100. So 100 you cross multiply. 10.804 into 100, 1080.4 is equal to 10x. 11 into 100, 1100 minus 11x. So you see 10x minus 11x is nothing but minus x. 10x minus 11x minus x. See here 10,080.4. Now want to find x value. So you take x left hand side and this value take right hand side. So x is equal to how much? 1100 minus 1080.4. So x value is nothing but 19.6 percentage. So here want to find X and X value, find the relative abundance want to find. So now you see X. So a percentage or relative abundance of B10 value X is nothing but 19.6. Want to find B11 value. B11 is nothing but what? 11 value 100 minus X. So 100 minus X means 100 minus X value how much? 19.6 percentage. So 100 minus 19.6 will become 80.4 percentage. So this is a B10 value, that is boron 10 isotope value. This is boron 11 isotope value percentage. 80.54 percentage. This is 19.6 percentage.